Hi, this is Leisure Lander bringing you yet another fine sewing machine. This time we have a Brother 1211A, which is a strong steel geared machine with manual zigzag, which means that the hook and bobbin follow the needle bar as it zigzags, which gives it a really nice even balanced stick. We're going to start our demonstration with some sheeting. And we'll start with straight stitch. Now listen to this. This machine is like a brand new machine. I've never seen a used machine in such good shape. In fact, check this out. The bottom looks brand new. Looks like it's never been sewn on. It had a little bit of thread on the bobbin. The bobbin was about half full of red thread, but other than that, there was just no evidence that it's been used at all. Most of the attachments were still in their original plastic bag. Let's see, let's sew a zigzag stitch so you can listen to this. I'm going to sew a wide zigzag and make it a close zigzag. Like I said, it's a powerful machine, so we should sew some denim. This is some pretty heavy denim. That was one layer. Now we're going to double that. Wait a minute, no, that was 2 layers. We're going to double that to make 4 layers, and then we're going to double that again. So this is 8 layers of denim. See that? 8 layers. And, just because it can, we're going to sew some leather. This is split leather. So there you have it, Brother Sewing Machine.